Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Emporia SMART 5. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Emporia. Also on Smart 5, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Samsung. Finally, you can click on all of those categories at the top and in them tap on those dots. This way you will select your files. If you want to, you can always just click on the chosen ones instead. Now select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon located next to Input key. Now allow camera access in this pop-up and point your device's camera at the code, then wait. You can also input this key instead by tapping on Input key section and typing in all of those numbers correctly. When you're ready, connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!